Now you have a lead magnet. You created it. You're doing amazing with it. Where do you put it? How do you deliver that? Like, what happens?
So 2 key places to put it. Obviously, you want to have it on your website. When someone comes in there, they want to feel like, okay, not only are you doing individual tax prep, but you can also position yourself like, hey, I specialize in this kind of taxes. Here, download this free tax strategy about real estate agents, whatever that looks like. Also, from a Facebook side, like if you're creating ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, that is a really, really easy way to create an ebook, create the strategy, have them download that, and then you're starting that sequence of automation to make sure you follow up and so forth. Those are primarily really strong ways to attract customers who are looking to get that value. Now, aside from like ebook within a website or an ad itself, you can do like a video replay, if you will. You're talking about something similar to this, 3 to 5 minutes about key strategies that within an ad, you can go ahead and say, hey, go ahead and download the full clip. I shared you the first little tip, the first gem. Now download the full thing to make sure you can get all the rest of these gems, but it does require that name, that phone number, and email that we'll be able to use later down the road.